Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Unplug the iron and cool it completely before filling with water. Safety is essential to avoid burns and electric shock. Inspect the water reservoir cap and opening for debris. Use distilled water to prevent mineral buildup and extend the iron life. Fill the reservoir to the max line with distilled water, about 200 ml or 7 ounces. Do not overfill beyond the max line. Close the cap securely until it clicks or seats firmly. Wipe any spilled water from the iron exterior before plugging in. Plug the iron in and select the correct fabric setting for your garment. Allow the iron to preheat fully until the indicator light signals readiness. For cotton and linen, use higher heat and consistent steam bursts. For synthetics, choose a lower temperature and minimal steam to prevent melting. Use the steam knob to set steam output or choose spray for light misting. Test on a scrap fabric before pressing your item to confirm settings. Use the vertical steam function for hanging garments and curtains for quick touch-ups. Hold the iron a few inches above the fabric to use the spray. Use the spray button in short bursts to dampen stubborn wrinkles only. Avoid soaking fabrics. 1 or 2 sprays are usually enough. Press with smooth strokes and lift the iron to reposition between presses to avoid stretching. For heavy creases, apply steam and press firmly for a few seconds. Empty and rinse the reservoir daily to prevent stale water and minerals. Wipe the sole plate after the iron cools to remove residue and keep vents clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.